These reusable home and yard bags feel extremely sturdy, with a woven polypropylene body that shrugs off thorns, branches, and rough debris without tearing. Each bag stands upright on its own, even when empty, which makes raking leaves or loading renovation rubble much easier because you are not fighting a collapsing container. The reinforced handles placed high and low on the bag are double-stitched and well-positioned, so dragging or lifting very heavy loads feels secure and controlled. Despite their heavy-duty strength and large capacity, the bags themselves are surprisingly light and can be rinsed clean quickly, so they are practical for frequent reuse. Their size works well not only for lawn and garden cleanup, but also for bulky indoor storage like seasonal decorations or camping gear, making them genuinely multi-purpose. When you are done, each bag folds down to a compact, flat bundle that tucks into a small storage space, so you get serious hauling power without sacrificing room in the garage.